up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, guys. I got a first unboxing for you today. The Detroit Speed suspension is here for the 79, guys. I have not, as you can see, I have not even opened these. All the boxes are sealed, so we're gonna open this together. I'm super freaking excited to see this. Even Dover, you're super excited to see this, yeah? Excited. Yes. This stuff, whew, these are some nice parts. All right, let's bust these things open, see what we got. So what do we got here? Dude, look at these. These are, even the packing is quality. I mean, come on now. Okay, so rear sway bar installation kit. And there's the rear sway bar.
Brackets.
Yeah. Got all the brackets.
Something here now, huh?
Yeah, I guess that's gonna be it. All right, so that's just the sway bar. Okay, yeah, that's that right there. That's just the rear sway bar and the tubular links. So let's see what's in the next one. Ooh, the JRIs. Okay, I admit it, I did open these. Why? And if you follow me on Instagram, you saw them.
It's pretty amazing.
Jeez. And here's the other thing, guys. They come with these where they test them and make sure that they're right. I mean, those things, and look at that. Oh my God.
Very nice, yes.
Yes. Look at this is how they came in the box, guys. But let's say JRI in there, and then Detroit Speed in there. But guys, this stuff is crazy. You can see it says right there, hand built by JRI or hand assembled in Mooresville, North Carolina. So, okay, what's in this box? Very nice. Again, if you haven't heard of JRI shocks, you need to look them up. They're out of Mooresville also, Charlotte area. Oh, yeah, what we got?
Control arms.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, upper link. Yeah, upper links. Let me take a look at this thing. There's your uppers there. Sealed by Detroit Speed. Very nice.
Link
there. Yeah, swivel link, rear suspension kit. Yeah. While he's doing that, okay, there's all your hardware. Rear swivel links. Oh, that's gonna be the other. Yeah. Oh yeah. Very nice.
Adjustable.
Ooh. Yeah, those are nice. All powder coated. All right, y'all, and of course got all the detailed instructions. Very nice. Yep. Shows you how to get everything set up. Get all their links and everything right. But man, these freaking things are nice. And as beefy as they are, these are light. Very nice. Very nice. And we forgot one box. How could we forget a box? Ah, okay.
Sway bar bushings.
Got all your bushings, links. Very nice. All right, boys. So we're gonna ride over to Steve's Fab Shop. Drop all these off for the 79, guys. As you know, he's got all the Detroit Speed subframe connectors and mini tubs in the car over there. All right, Steve's Fab Shop. Let's get all this stuff inside. I was like, he's familiar with JRI. There you go, Steve. It's Christmas time. Are you ready for all this?
Yeah, I like Christmas.
Look at them freaking things.
Yeah. Oh, look at these. It's the lower just. No, it's just straight ahead.
Yeah. And then here's all your springs. Look at this stuff, man. And there's your coilover brackets. Of course. Yeah, there's your. I'm telling you, man, it's all just like this freaking stuff is amazing. There's your trailing arms there.
Twist right there, don't it? I think they're twist.
Yeah, I believe they're double adjustable, so you don't have to pull them off to. Yeah, there's your uppers. Yeah, I'm telling you, I just kind of drooled over it stuff for a little while. It's freaking nice stuff. All right, guys, and if you are new to the channel, this is the car that's getting all of the Detroit Speed goodies. I know it doesn't look like much at the moment, but just, you know, projects, especially projects of this magnitude, take time. But as you can see, Steve's already got all the Detroit Speed subframe connectors, which tie into the lower torque box. Then, of course, you got the Detroit Speed mini tubs, so we got room for days. But yeah, guys, this is again, we're not really sure exactly what's going to happen with this car as far as powertrain. We do have a Coyote for it. Dover kind of halfway mentioned dropping his 434 Windsor in it. Who knows? But either way, this thing is going to be rock solid, and of course has all the Detroit Speed underpinnings. I mean, it's going to be super cool. And it also, guys, if you're wondering, yes, this does have the flat trunk lid. And if you know, you know there's no lip at all on that trunk lid. Yeah, guys, this this thing's gonna be super cool. Can't wait to get all the suspension on it. Steve is working on a fresh 8.8 for it, and once that's done, get all the Detroit Speed suspension on it. This thing's gonna be epic. All right, a little dirt car action. Steve, this is G-body frame, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah, so guys, if you know, Steve's Fab Shop makes dirt car chassis too. Freaking awesome. Built by hand. And of course over here, this is Boomer's rear end. He's getting ready to narrow it and probably weld the axle tubes, all that good stuff. So, and guys, if you need some, if you're anywhere near West Tennessee and you need roll cage, any type of fab work, look up Steve's Fab Shop there on Facebook. He did finally get a Facebook page going, so if you need some work done, he's got you covered. Does good work. All right, Steve's gonna get cracking on that. He just, what are you doing up there? What are you doing? What is it, buddy? All right, we gotta go. All right, y'all, so we're about to pretty well wrap it up, but I had to show you real quick. Got a lot of the wiring done here on Boomers. Got your injector, coil, whole engine harness, and then of course control pack harness all going in the valley there. So everything hidden away, so all this is going to be super clean. That's going to look good. We need to do mine like that. Just tear mine back apart and everything you've learned on
the turbo and stuff on
it? Yeah, the turbo too. Yeah. But yeah, that looks great. Everything's hidden. Yeah, so basically the way you see the engine compartment now, it's going to look
pretty much like that.
Pretty close. I mean, there's really not a whole heck of a lot more wire that needs to come under here. Of course, the headlight harness and all that will be in the fender, so yeah, that's looking good. Looking very good. All right, guys, so that's pretty much going to wrap it up for today. Like I said, the Detroit Speed suspension will be getting on the 79 once he gets the 8.8 all cleaned up and installed in the car. So keep an eye out for that. Don't forget, guys, DetroitSpeed.com. Use code Foxcast. Your official discount for Detroit Speed products. And if you haven't seen, go back and check out the subframe connectors and the mini tubs that we got installed in that car. Freaking cool. We're gonna put some big meats under it. I'm super excited about that. So in the meantime, if you enjoyed this video, big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. And as you can clearly see, we got a lot of work to do. Later.